Hi everyone, so this is option 2. I'm modeling for you exactly what I would like you to do if you wanted to choose this option. So I went on to the choosemyplate.gov and I found a recipe that I thought would be good. Some of the things that I had in my house, in my kitchen already, where I didn't have to necessarily go out and purchase anything. So the one that I chose was called the Summer Breeze Smoothies. Like, I'm a smoothie person, so this sounded quite interesting to me. It was rated 3 stars, which out of 5, which means that people enjoyed it. Had $2 signs next to it, which means it wasn't necessarily on the high end, but it wasn't necessarily like the cheapest thing out there either. It makes 3 servings. That's important to think about as well. So if you were to scroll down on that page below the ingredients, under your nutrition facts, it tells you the description of everything. And right before you see calories at the top, it will say serving size, and it says 1 cup. Well, if it makes 3 servings, technically it's like 1 cup times 3, which is like 3 cups altogether. So that's important to keep in mind, because when you're looking at your calories say 120 on this particular smoothie drink, but really it's like if you were to drink this entire creation that I'm about to start in a minute, it would be like I was drinking 360 calories. So that's important to keep in mind. You got to look at how many serving sizes does it have in it, and how much would you be getting. There's no fat in here. There's 24 carbohydrates. There's 18 grams of sugar, 6 grams of protein, 2 grams of fiber. And if you look over on the other side by the MyPlate, now if I was to drink 1 cup, I would be getting 3/4 of my fruits for the day that I would need. And for dairy, I would be getting 1/3 of a cup. So, so that is my recipe. So now let's make it. Okay, so one of the things that they ask, and I'm going to try to do it where I can see both. One of the things they ask for is plain yogurt. Now you can modify your recipe to, again, this is not making a special trip out there. It's what do you have in your fridge that you can maybe modify your recipes. Still very similar, but it could be off a little bit. This one I have the Greek yogurt. It's not plain yogurt. This one actually is a mixed berry. So I'm putting mixed berries in here. So open that up. Put this right into your blender. Put in the whole thing in there. My dogs hear me. Okay. The next thing is I'm going to be putting 6 strawberries, and mine are really big, so I'm only going with 3. They say it was kind of like a medium strawberry. This are kind of large, so I'm only going to go with 3 strawberries. If I feel like I need to add more, I will in the end. And don't forget, I washed those and I cut the tops off, the green part off the top. That's important. But always wash your fruits. It says for 1 cup of pineapple. So if you had a pineapple in your house, or if maybe you had cans, that'd be fine. I actually don't have that. So I'm going to eliminate that one from my recipe. And again, that's okay too. So if you find one out there that you don't have in your fridge, that's okay. You can eliminate it. Maybe you have a food allergy and you can't have that. So feel free to strike out things that you can't have based on your own allergies too. That's fine. It does say for 1 banana. Have a nice green ripe banana. I like mine with green, not overly ripe. Oh, I forgot to get vanilla. We have vanilla. So this is, they're asking for vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of it. And I completely forgot to get a teaspoon out. Was that 1 teaspoon? Where is my teaspoon? There we go. So 1 teaspoon of this. And then it's asking for 4 ice cubes. Now, I kind of like mine with more ice in it. So I have, I think, about 8 in here. Okay. Now, once you have all that, you just blend it on up. you're gonna come over here and try it too. So puree it. Make sure that mine is all nice and blended. Oops, that is not a spoon, that's a teaspoon. Let's try it one more time. Okay, that was it. Are you gonna try it too? There's another one right below me. You gonna try it? No?
I'll pass.
You're gonna pass? Okay. This one, I feel like it might want more ice in the end. It could need more ice, but there we go. Morgan, you gonna come try with Mom? Okay, what do you think? Not bad, pretty banana-y. I think it would be better if we had the pineapple, honestly, but not too bad. What do you think?
It's not bad. It's banana.
It is very banana-y because we didn't have any pineapple. But either way, I think it's a success. I like smoothies, so this works for me. Okay.